Hi everyone, I'm Garrett from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. Today I'm going to compare the Uniden SDS200 and the Whistler TRX-2. These are the two newest based mobile scanners on the market, unless you count the Uniden Bear Tracker 885 CB scanner hybrid, which, with zero due respect, I do not. The TRX-2 was released in the summer of 2016 and the SDS200 was released in February of 2019. The TRX-2 has been the best base mobile unit to this point and is still our best selling base mobile scanner. The SDS200 has shadowed the TRX-2 spotlight only marginally, as the TRX-2 has been much more reliable and has been improved upon through firmware and other minor hardware adjustments here and there for 3 years now. The TRX-2 leapfrogged all other Whistler and Uniden based mobile models with improvements in the front end for better FM radio suppression and extra firmware space for future improvements. This may be the reason Whistler decided to terminate the plans for the TRX-100 and TRX-200. The TRX-1 and TRX-2 are close to plateauing, but after 3 years on the market, they are still two of the best Phase 1 and Phase 2 scanners. And until Uniden decodes DMR, NXD, and Merbo Turbo Voice at no extra cost, buyers will almost always value the TRX-2 over the SDS200. With that said, the price of the TRX-2 isn't going down. In fact, it has gone up considerably in the past year, leading to a complete drop-off in sales. A 3-year-old scanner got more expensive, you say? Nah man, I'll pass. One of the disadvantages of the TRX-2 is the minuscule display. Some people are okay with the screen size, those people are fictional, including the casts of Honey, I Shrunk the Kids and DreamWorks Picture Ants. This is, in my opinion, made up for with the removable, remotable magnetic head. If you want to monitor in your vehicle in states that allow scanner use while operating a motor vehicle, which unfortunately doesn't include my home state of Minnesota, Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, and New York, the TRX-2 is perfect for car installation. The separation cable right here allows you to mount the guts of the radio under a seat or in the trunk and have just the face up front for operation. Guts, removable head, face, operation, geez, sounds bloody gruesome, mate. Rest assured, these are benevolent, painless things. It's the most innovative, if not the best feature the TRX-2 has to offer. Now if we look at the TRX-2 and its removable face, there's a button on the side here that you hit to release it. And this is obviously where the separation cable goes. And on the removable face, actually it's on this end, there's a little rubber piece, if you can see that, where that goes. The SDS200 doesn't have a cool feature like a removable face, but it does have the biggest display of any scanner to date, which is a huge upgrade over the TRX-2's display. Not to mention the customizable options available to you with 200, which I'll show you in the menu, down to display options. So you have the backlight options, the timer, dimmers, backlight key, and customize, simple conventional, trunk, detail, and even better, you can adjust the display from the volume knob. So it goes down to lowest to highest. And that's not available to you on that TRX-2. This just operates squelch level and volume level, whereas the SDS200 has 2 knobs. One is for squelch and volume, and one is for navigating the device, as well as this one. With the TRX-2, you get a couple backlight timeout options, and that's about it. I have also heard complaints that even on its lowest setting, the backlight is too bright when monitoring at night, A film like the one that comes with the scanner could help dim the brightness, but that's not ideal, and a few customers have told me they have to cover the display, unable to see which transmissions are coming through, which, not good. I know you're all tired of the word simulcast, but it's the key feature on the SDS200 no matter how much you try to ignore it. It's the only simulcast capable base mobile on the market, and it's the only argument I need to say the SDS200 is superior to the TRX-2. There, I said it. Whistler tried its hand at simulcast capabilities for the TRX200 and waved the white flag. There are ways to monitor simulcast on a TRX2, but you really have to toil over the easy scan software and the scanner settings. Even with the perfect marriage of programming and antenna setup, you're going to encounter lulls and buzzing and general static when operating on any simulcast system. If your area doesn't require a simulcast capable scanner, the TRX2 could very well work for you and might even be better than the SDS200 in terms of need. Even with that information, some users don't trust the SDS200 due to some of the bugs that Uniden is working through. They made a hardware modification on the newest batch that isn't seen in this video. They used this modification to combat the buzz in the internal speaker, which I'd say is on 1 out of 5 scanners. Other users are bothered by the Ethernet port at the front of the scanner when there is plenty of real estate on the back. Even so, this micro USB port right here isn't being used at this moment. It could very well change in the future with firmware updates, but even so, it seems like a bit of a design flaw. Basically, I'm saying don't worry. If there wasn't room to improve, you'd be in trouble. But just like the TRX2, there is extra firmware space for future improvements, so no worries. We'll get there. Neither model or scanner manufacturer is perfect. It doesn't matter if you're making the choice based on need or best available. Either scanner could land in both camps. Shoot us your zip code and we can tell you how much ground you need to cover. Hope you enjoyed this TRX-2 SDS200 comparison video. Hit the like if you like, and please subscribe to learn more. I'm Garrett from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. We're open 7 days a week. You can call us at 737-777-9876 with free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support from experts like me. Thanks.